want to tell you one thing. In any scam, in any money laundering crime or offense, there are one or two or more people involved. Okay, there are very few cases involving a lot of money, stealing a lot of money, like the money that is mentioned, $2 million, 65 million, 57,000 dollars, okay, 4 million dollars, all these, okay, everything around shows you that this lady, there's more to what this case is. This lady was used. There is a very big person, a senior government official involved in this case of Faith. Faith was a TV presenter, a radio presenter. Okay, she worked for ZDA as a communications manager. This person, I know that she was used by some senior politician, some minister, okay, or some senior PF high-ranking official, because Faith Chitula Ngoma, okay, as a person who came up and paraded herself as a church person. She was even hosting the gospel TV program. She was used as a cover. There's a lot to this case, okay, and the reason why she ran away is because she's guilty. Okay, there is this saying which they say that the guilty ones are always afraid. I mean, if I'm innocent, I find that I'm innocent. My money that I have was acquired, correctly, without any shade of corruption. Why would I run away? Okay, the fact that this lady ran away, it shows that this case, there's a lot that is involved in this case. She's guilty. Okay, that money was withdrawn either from the bank, or that money never passed through any bank. Okay, that money was being packed, packed in bags. The fact that that money was also found in traveling bags simply means that they were preparing to run away, to flee, okay, to get out of this country. So the ACC, the Financial Intelligence Center, DEC, Drug Enforcement Commission, and Zambia Police be on alert. There are a lot of PF high-ranking officials, there are a lot of ministers, there are a lot of people who worked in government portfolios, positions, who have stolen a lot of money. There are some of them have already gone. They have fled this country. They are out of the country. Others are planning to run away from this country, and so they are going to withdraw all the money they have in the local banks that we have in Zambia. Others have banked their money outside the country. This is what is happening. So please be on alert. Arrest these people. Confiscate their passports. Make sure that they don't run away.